Minister Narendra Modi returned home on Monday after his six-nation tour of Russia and five Central Asian countries. Through his tour, Prime Minister Modi not just strengthened the relationship between India and the five Central Asian countries, but also initiated progressive development of all the nations. Giving a major push to connect Central Asia policy, Prime Minister Modi secured a slew of multilateral agreements from his five-nation tour of Central Asia. Prime Minister Modi also succeeded in getting cooperation of all the nations in the fight against terrorism. During his visit, India and Uzbekistan decided to boost ties in key areas of atomic energy, defense and trade. In Kazakhstan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inked four key agreements, including a defense pact to enhance military cooperation and a contract for supply of uranium, culture and technical assistance in railways. India signed four crucial agreements with Kyrgyzstan on economy, culture, defense cooperation, on election commission cooperation. Batting for early implementation of the $10 billion Tapi pipeline project, Prime Minister Narendra Modi evinced India's interest in long-term investment in the energy sector in Turkmenistan as the two countries inked 7 pacts and vowed to combat terrorism jointly in the area. Tajikistan marks the last leg of Prime Minister Modi's 8-day tour, where Prime Minister extended his cooperation in the field of agriculture and culture. After returning to India, Prime Minister tweeted, "I complete my tour of Central Asia. My visits to these five nations convince me that India and Central Asia must reconnect on a larger scale." Prime Minister Modi's tour to five Central Asia nations has further strengthened the bond and cooperation between the countries, which will be beneficial for the overall development of all the nations. Newsnight Desk, DD News.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi made significant contributions to the future of the BRICS when he proposed 10 initiatives that the BRICS can undertake. And in a shot in the arm for India, SCO accepted India's bid to be a member of the organization. Here are the takeaways for India from BRICS and SCO summits in Ufa in Russia.
This constituted the most important leg of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Central Asian tour. Ufa was the destination for two important summits, BRICS and Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The biggest takeaway of SCO summit was the inclusion of India as a permanent member of the organization. Prime Minister Modi called upon the members to unitedly fight against terror and remove the barriers for more trade and commerce between the nations.
आतंकवाद और अतिवाद इस क्षेत्र के लिए बड़े खतरे के रूप में उभर रही है। हम एससीओ के साथ मिलकर इनका सामना करेंगे।
India has been an observer state in SCO for the last 10 years. China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan are members of SCO. Another important meeting was BRICS Summit, where Prime Minister gave 10 important suggestions for the group. The proposals include a trade fair, a railway research center, cooperation among supreme audit institutions, a digital initiative, an agricultural research center, a forum of state, local governments, cooperation among cities, an annual sports meet, the first major project of the new development bank to be in the field of clean energy, and a film festival. The Prime Minister also had fruitful bilaterals with Russian and Chinese leadership on the sidelines of the summit. Newsnight Desk, DD News.